Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Kill Sourav. I am Sourav Dutta and today in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Wi-Fi adapter driver without CD. First connect the Wi-Fi adapter to the PC where you want to install it. You will need an active internet connection on an alternative device like smartphone and another laptop to get the necessary file. First go to the official Zebronics support download page. Search Zebronics USB 150 Wi-Fi driver and after searching click on the first page that appears. Then locate your specific model number or search for your model in the search bar. After searching using the model number you can see that two products are being displayed. One is MediaTek and other is Realtek. Download the drivers according to the product. For instance, I downloaded both drivers. The Realtek driver will work for me. That is why I am downloading the Realtek driver because my PC support it. If you have downloaded the driver onto a PC, transfer the file using a pen drive. If downloaded on a different PC, transfer the file using a USB flash drive. Right click the downloaded folder and select extract here. Keep in mind that if the Wi-Fi setup does not work with the file, then you can try extract and installing the MediaTek version. After extract, many file will appear. Simply click on the Windows folder. Then locate the setup file, often named setup.exe, inside the extract folder. Double click to select the setup file. Follow the on-screen instruction and restart your computer when finished. After installation or automatic detection, locate the network icon in the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar. Click on the Wi-Fi symbol to bring up the list of available wireless networks. Select your local Wi-Fi network and click to connect. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubt related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.